I'm Jodi Brenner Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to talk with you about what you need to do immediately when you get hurt at work. I've had so many people call me and say, well, I called my lead person, I called Bill, I called Mary, I called my supervisor, and I told them I got hurt at work 2 days ago, or this morning, or yesterday. I am always encouraging my clients or my potential clients to put it in writing. Doesn't mean you have to draft a 5-page letter. All you have to do is send a text, send an email, send a fax, write something out, keep a copy of it if you're going to write it out in your handwriting on a piece of paper, because it's very, very important that those particular facts of how you got hurt, when you got hurt, what your injured body parts are put on paper immediately. There are so many times when that employer all of a sudden doesn't remember what you told them. Oh, she never told me she got hurt. I don't remember he ever said that he hurt his foot. And this is what happens. They are there, unfortunately, in many cases, to worry about what the employer's needs are as opposed to what you, as the injured worker's needs are. So it's very, very important and very specific in how you inform your employer as to what you had happened to you. And you want to go to the lead person, your direct supervisor, or the supervisor over that, or the manager on duty, whoever is going to be there who's not your coworker, but somebody who's in a supervisory position. If you work off-site, then make sure you know how to contact that person who is the lead person or the supervisor that you must be in contact with. It's very important. If that's not an option, then go to HR. But again, these things should be in text, in email, in writing, in fax. And then you are listing, this is the date I got hurt. This is what happened. These are the body parts that I injured. And put your name on it and let them know exactly what happened. While you have to report your injury within 30 days to a supervisor, manager, lead person, I always encourage people to do it immediately. That way there's no question. That way they don't say, well, you went home for the weekend or you went home overnight. Did you hurt yourself at home? Maybe you didn't do it at work. Technically you have 30 days, but the sooner you do it, the more specifically you do it, the more details you give with regard to how it happened, and what your body parts are injured, and in writing is going to be the best benefit for you as we go back then to investigate the injury and to pursue the claim on your behalf so that we then have that very specific detailed writing as to what went on and when it went on. If you have any questions about this, if you need help with what's going on in your case currently, please give me a call. I'm glad to speak with you and help you walk through this and get the case moving on the right track. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include, can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.